like this. Come on, girls. What does it taste like? What's it taste like?
Good.
Good? Snow last night?
Yeah.
How much snow?
A bunch.
A bunch? So much snow.
On the way, she met a pig.
We're here at Powder Mountain, and we're on the Tubing Hill today, having a good time, and there is so much snow.
What, Mimi? I caught a snowflake on my tongue.
You got a what?
Snowflake on my tongue.
A snowflake on your tongue?
These are big flakes.
Is that all four?
Yeah, what one's this?
Monkey,
What's this one?
cat,
Next one?
monkey,
No, what was that one?
dog,
And that one?
uh,
What was this one?
tiger.
Tiger. Yeah.
Nice.
All right.
They look awesome.
Tigers do not say that.
Oh, tigers do not say rawr. What did tigers say? Oh. What does the tiger say?
I don't know. I'll have to look it up.
Yeah.
I thought they said roar.
Maybe they do say
Maybe that's
meow.
lions.
What do they say?
There goes Mimi.
Oh, that feels so good. Thanks for the back scratch.
Still as a lion statue. As soon as your grandpa says, I give up, pop out and shout, here I am. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mimi. Happy birthday to